Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bobier Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. My first visit to this school, and it was an amazing afternoon. Some great kids, great staff for the after-school program. We had one assembly, grades TK through 5, and the focus was on bullying. Look at the heart first, right? That we look to everyone around us for who they truly are inside. You know, I'm outside the main school entrance right now on one of the murals behind me, and you see the different faces, the different people, and obviously, hopefully some of them are best friends, but if we can see people the same way that we see our best friend, you know, that's the goal, right? The same thing that Dr. King talked about at the time is always right to do what is right, and what is right is to show compassion to everybody around us, right? Even if they might be different than us, born different, walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different skin color, speak a different language, eat different foods, wear different clothes, we can still always accept, right? We can still always be welcoming, like it is here on the campus behind me, home of the Broncos. And just a beautiful afternoon, you know, getting to really talk to some of the students afterwards one-on-one, where they've had some bullying issues in the past. Some was physical, some was verbal. And you know, sometimes the verbal is even worse because those bruises heal, right? But the verbal can stick in our mind and in our brain, and if we, you know, let it, it might transform into us, you know, pushing that pain onto someone else, that the bullying just continues. The only way to stop it is to rise above the hate, you know, try to ignore that, know that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not every opinion matters, and be able to turn hurt people who hurt people, the biggest reason I see why we don't show kindness, into healed people who heal people, right? If we can let that peace and kindness fully enter into our hearts as big as our fist, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? One finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them. It's also too, because in just 2 seconds, right, we can do or say something that can stand someone's heart in a positive way forever or in a very negative way forever, right? So we have that choice. Hopefully we choose to make sure that we're gonna uplift instead of bring down, because we know that it's so important, you know, for us to really show that type of acceptance and that type of inclusion, and really just that overall compassion, right? That this world needs more people that are gonna see us and see everyone for who they truly are, right? And that also means we see people for this too, including ourselves, all of us with the lines on our hands. I bring this up in all my assemblies. With the lines on our hands, we have the letter M. I trace one of mine here, have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects that, right? But this M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, you know, once we believe that, you know, we have to go spread that. And I've had students come up to me and say, Mr. Peace, you know, that M for me stands for mistake. You know, that they thought they were a mistake because somebody told them that lie, they believed it as the truth, but they said they don't want to believe that anymore. They want to believe this, that they're a miracle. And their friends, their classmates, you know, they all trace their hands, so they're going to support that person, you know, tell them that they're beautiful, that they're a miracle. And that's what we have to do. You know, we have the opportunity to be that light to someone else's heart, and we need to go forward and do that. So thank you all for touching my heart. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year, and make sure you hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.